In this tutorial, I'll show how to stabilize shaky video in Premiere Pro. I opened a shaky video in my timeline. We will use the effect to stabilize shaky video. Go to Effect panel and search here Warp Stabilizer VFX. Drag this effect onto the clip. Open Effect Controls panel and here we can see stabilizing this started and it will take some time to complete this progress. Let's continue this tutorial when it's over. Okay, this progress is finished now. Now the clip is stabilizing. It's done. And now if I play the video clip and here we can see shaky video has been stabilized. For a better result, make sure smoothness is 100% and result is a smooth motion and the method is position, scale, rotation. After this work is done, we will see the best stabilized video. That's it for now. Make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.